Hello, my name is Lisbeth Ayala, and my lesson is on the solar system. Here we go. So the lesson overview, well, this lesson is intended for second grade students who will be learning about the solar system. Students will be learning about the order of the planets. They will also learn new vocabulary words such as solar system, orbit, asteroid, and they will also learn about the different planets and some of their features as well. Students will also be divided into 5 groups of 5. Each group will be working together in order to learn about the planets and, you know, making sure they are able to arrange the planets in order using tablets in the classroom. Students will also learn about the different features of each planet using a solar system app for kids. Students will all be using tablets as well in order to arrange the planets, like I have mentioned. Technology and SAMR, like I said, students will be using tablets in order to work together in order to arrange the planets and to learn about the planets and their features. They will be using the Solar System for Kids app. Each tablet would already have the app, and students will be using this during the activity. Um, the level that my lesson achieves on the SAMR model is augmentation, which creates significant enhancements to the student experience. Students will be using this app in order to align the planets using tablets instead of drawing each planet on paper. Students will also learn about some features of each planet using interactive video links found on the app instead of just reading about each feature on a book. So this is why technology plays like a important role because students will have a different experience of learning about the solar system, which is pretty cool. It's instructional design. Here we go. To begin the lesson, I will first ask students if they have heard anything about the solar system. Some students might know something, some might not. I will also share, I will ask students to share some things that they might know. I will write down their answers on the whiteboard, and I will also go over some specific definitions and terms with the whole classroom as well at the beginning. I will also let students know that they will be learning about the solar system and the order of the planets using an app and, about while working together in groups. Students will be using this app in order to work together and arrange the planets and to learn about the features of each planet, such as the size, color, etc. Students will then share the order of the planets in groups to the whole class. Each group will also have a team leader who will present the order of the planets and share some interesting facts that they have learned while doing the activity. Assessments. I will be assessing students by walking around the classroom and answering some questions that students may have during the activity. I will also assess students by asking some questions during the activity, such as which is the closest and furthest planet to the sun. I will also ask students which is the smallest and biggest planet as well. I will also assess students by doing thumbs up, thumbs down during the activity. And then at the end of the activity, I will also have each group's team leader share and present the order of the planets to the whole class, and each group will also share out some interesting things that they have learned during the activity. Accommodations, solar system lesson for my EL students. I will provide translations. I will also avoid idioms and use synonyms as much as possible so that students can understand some vocabulary words. I will also provide visuals as well. Um, what else? For my LD students, I will group students according to their learning ability and have them complete less amount of work. I will also be walking around and working with any student that may have a hard time or my struggling learners. For my gifted students, I will also ask them some higher order thinking questions as I walk around the classroom. I will have them compare and contrast some planets orally as I walk by so that they can think about, the differences of each planet. And then for my resources, for my solar system lesson, I will be using whiteboard markers, tablets/iPads, computer with Wi-Fi, the app, which will be Solar System for Kids, I will also use solar system visuals, journal, and students will have their journals, pencils, and I will be using a checklist for behavior. And that is it. Thank you so much.